sound. I'm fucking trying to waste credit, but still never ending. Together I'm fighting, rockin' poetic, standing with the fury that they have in 66. I'm rocking double I'm at, still deep in the system. Shit, cool up, you want a body remover. I give you a dose of love, don't never come close to the reach. Booked up inside of me. Fish in the air when I line up high progression. Movements go, and movements go. Leaders speak, movements hit, let the hands up fall. Cause all this punk stop bones in their head. The opponents of police, the judges, the vets, the looks of war. Keep the people calm, you know the win of the king. When he spoke out of Vietnam, he took the power to the have-nots. And then came the shot. With my mind, I can't flip my rhythm. With my style, rocking the finesse. Ooh, I'll wake you up. You shake you off the rip, the structure up. Cause smoking will go in the gutter. I'm not taking photos. My voice kicks up on the shutter. Sing the roof, I let them move like I was cashes. Let the step the step, I let the bump up with the fastest on the track. The several federal man, a bullet scheme on the seat. I put it to an ad, you put it away. I'm with you pushing in my war. Training vision, we move as a like a force. That don't you work, you the people come. You're not ever an ex. I tried to break into Islam. He took the power to the have-nots. And then came the shot. Doctrine of non-violence and embrace black nationalism. Through counterintelligence, it should be possible to pinpoint potential troublemakers and utilize them. Come on, wake up! 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 How long? That long? 'Cause what you reap, it's what you sow. Merci vielmals.